Here we are at Kurnool Solar Farm project, which is approximately 1 gigawatt project. As we can see, the terrain is very rocky here, and digging the trench to lay cables from modules to SCB and then to inverter system is very difficult.
We have provided our solar cable management system, which ensures that the wires are above the ground. The system is very much easy to install and time saving. It ensures that the maintenance happens very easily, and we do not require a separate structure for installation. Customer is liking the solution and finding the solution helpful for timely completion of the project.